Hey creators, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create realistic text in Canva using a brand new app called Letteristic. It's super easy to use and helps you make text that looks incredibly real. So let's jump right in. Alright, first open Canva and go to the Apps section. In the search bar, type Letteristic and click on it to install the app. Once it's installed, you'll see a library full of creative text styles. The best part is, the library keeps growing every week, so you'll always find new and exciting styles to try out. Some styles are free, while others are for pro users. But right now, most of them are completely free to use. Let's try one out. I'll select this cookie text style. Here, you can type any text you want, and below that, you can adjust the letter spacing and line spacing if you're using multiple lines. Once everything looks good, click Add to Design. Next, you'll be asked to choose the quality. Since I'm using the Pro version, I'll select High Quality. Then you can decide how you want to insert the text, either as an image or as an editable element. The image option is free, but if you're a pro user, the editable element allows you to change the text later without redoing it from scratch. Now let's add it to the design. Make it a bit bigger so you can see it clearly. Look how cool and realistic this looks. If you've added it as an editable element, you can simply click on it, change the text, then click Update Element, select the quality again, and your design updates instantly. Super convenient. Now let's try another style. I'll go with the burger style this time. Add your text, click Add to Design, choose the quality, and I'll insert it as an image this time. Let's make it larger. Looks awesome, right? But since this one is added as an image, it can't be edited afterward. And that's the main difference between the image and editable option. Finally, let's try one more style. Let's choose the denim style. I'll type in my text and add it to the design. It looks really cool and realistic. And that's how easily you can create realistic text effects in Canva using the Letteristic app. It's a new app, and new styles are being added every week, so definitely check it out and experiment with different looks. Let me know in the comments what you think about this new app, and I'll see you in the next video.